catch people in, don't catch people out. So when I climb, we need to lock on so that if we fall, we don't fall past that point. And then we go again and we lock on. And I argue that in business, when we are growing and growing dramatically, we still have to create solid foundations. Because if we don't, we can be way up the mountain and then something goes wrong, we fall all the way down. So in the business, we create solid foundations. We make sure we consolidate. We build some degree of safety. We make sure our systems are appropriate. We make sure our team are properly trained. When I say to people, slow down, it's just slow down and think for a minute. Let's just make sure we've got a solid belay here. We've got an anchor here that if we fall, we won't fall past this. And I will get the team together and I will ask them, what does success look like? What does it sound like? And what does it feel like? And people say, sound like? What do you mean sound? I say, well, when we're operating as a world-class team, as a world-class organization, what will we say to each other? How will we relate to each other? So you have commit, connect, and then create. And the create is creating magic. This is where the magic happens. And the magic is when we're working together as a team, where we've got a shared goal, where we understand what our responsibilities are. We understand that we've got the authority to make change, because I give people a lot of authority. You go and do it. I trust you to go and do it. And if it doesn't work, let's talk about it and let's find a way. So you don't have the luxury of time to discuss. You have to have prepared all of this in advance. You have to be aligned. We have to have discussed all of the things that we will do. If it goes wrong, how will we react? Who will take the lead? Because there's no space for ego. There's no space in business for ego, really. Ego is just a wasted energy. You catch people in, when something goes well, then that's a really nice, loud discussion about where it went and how you got a fantastic job and well done. If it goes wrong, that's a very quiet conversation, because what are we going to learn from this? And unfortunately, I've seen leaders who get it the other way around. They think their job is to spot when it's going wrong and make a noise about it, because that makes them sound very clever. But it doesn't. It makes them sound.
This is the Business Philosopher Visionary Podcast. I'm your host, Bhavesh Naik. When leaders move across industries, scale organizations, or face extreme conditions, tactics often stop working. What remains is a deeper leadership philosophy, one anchored in non-negotiable principles that shape culture and performance. In today's conversation, we explore what truly transfers in leadership when everything else changes. Kevin Gaskell is a leader whose career reads like a masterclass in achievement. He is a former CEO of Porsche, BMW, and Lamborghini, where he led major business turnarounds and growth strategies, delivering record results. He has since gone on to build 15 companies in sectors as diverse as telecoms, boat manufacturing, and gardening. Beyond business, Kevin has raised over $2 million for charity by rowing across oceans, walking to both poles, and climbing big mountains, testing their leadership philosophy under extreme conditions. He has a well-earned reputation for taking underperforming teams and organizations and turning them into world-class performers. In this conversation, we explore the philosophy, mindset, and cultural standards behind those transformations. I am pleased to have you on this podcast, Kevin.
It's great to be here. Thank you for the invitation.